Good morning, boys. Welcome back to the channel. Hello. There you go. Today we're gonna work on Jeeps. Today I have two Jeeps, two crappy Jeeps to work on. So there you go. This black one is a 4-cylinder Jeep. It came in for service. The engine is a bit wonky, it misfires, it got all the smell. The drive was a bit questionable, but it runs. It started up, it runs, I shut it down a few times. Okay, let's go! So we need to do a few things on it. Nothing works! Let's get to it. So we have this black Jeep to do the service and the checkup, and we have a green Jeep back there. Jeep. Okay, so this guy came in for this. Who wants strawberry milk? Yep, we have water in the transmission. But we gotta start off with this guy. I drove it here and I didn't even open the hood yet. Let's see what surprise got in store for us. Oh, Jay. What is this now?
That's the extra power now.
Okay, buddy, let's start removing parts. See what we need to get this thing serviced. Hopefully gonna run better. Alright boys, we went shopping. We got some good old Berryman. Thanks to Vice Grip Garage for this tip. We're gonna see how it responds from this kind of engine. Got some oil filter, new spark plugs, some good old vitamin C 10W40. We have a problem here. Somebody's been using the wrong spark plugs and it's stuck. And this is what's happening. They tightened this spark plug in too much and now the socket can't get on it. This is a spark plug that this engine needs to use, so it has a big space over here, so this thread doesn't go all the way down in the head. Oh man, wish me luck. I think we have to grind off, make this thinner somehow. It's gonna be fun. Alright, got a little bit thinner.
Is it doing the thing?
A little bit more, Jerry. I got a little more. It's a special socket now, isn't it?
Yeah, one-time use kind of special. There you go.
Wait a minute though. Wait a minute now. That's new. I wonder what this engine does with the right spark plugs in it.
I have a good idea. It might actually run.
Let's see how it started up. Do you guys remember how it started up this morning? Look at this. Hello? A little bit too much then. Yeah, for the line. I bit the bullet. I'm gonna remove the whole line so I can fix it on the bench. Do a nicer job so no more power steering leaking. to get to the front side of the steering box, you remove this piece of plastic. And this is a high pressure line, and this is a return line. So remove this guy, like that. There you go. Now I'm gonna flush this guy. This guy has a problem that it has water in the transmission. Ooh, strawberry shake. Alright, I'm gonna show you how I flush transmissions. What I like to do is, I remove this guy from the cooler. All of these hoses are rotted out and I'm not gonna reuse them, so I'm gonna chop them off. Look at this strawberry shake. Jay, you want strawberry shake? There you go, there you go. Keep it like that. Okay, there it goes. Oh wow. Wow. Oh yes! Alright. Worked all night yesterday, so this guy is ready to go home. New air filter, no more power steering leaks, serviced. Let's hopefully it starts up and drives much better now. Well, that's that. Let's get on to this guy. So we went from this hunk of junk to this nice thing. Look at that. She's a beauty. Let me show you underneath. Hey, come on, dog. Let me work. So I'm gonna show you guys the fine job I did down here. Nice fitting down there with the line. Nice. That I used a part of it. Double clamp just to be sure. Goes in nice. Keeps them going, keeps them going. Excuse the shaft. Back here. Keeps them going, keeps them going. All the way to the front. To the cooler. Moment of truth right here, boys. Give it a start. Check if something's leaking. Or worse. It's been idling for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Let's see if it goes into gear. Oh, that needs fuel too. Reverse. Oh, works. Drive works. Nice. Double check the fluid. She's good to go. Let's see how she engaged drives. There you go. Oh well, our cooler job is well done. I'll see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed the video. This has been Jeep Week. Crappy Jeeps. My job here is done with them. I'm falling over.